There are two friends, Antonia and Ray. Antonia is the girl and Ray is the boy. Antonia and Ray have the same dream. Their dream is to become famous and successful speaker. Both Antonia and Ray dream of speaking to big, excited audiences. They also both share the same problem. Their problem is they are both terrible English speakers. They both decide they will become famous and successful speakers. However, they each do different things to reach their dream. Antonia decides to set small goals. Uh, she realizes she needs to set several small goals to reach her big dream. Ray doesn't set any goals, only has a big dream. Uh, Ray daydreams every day. He imagines speaking to big audiences every day. He daydreams. Antonia decides she first needs to improve her English listening, so she needs to listen to English for 3 hours every day. And after about 4 months, her listening improves as she achieved her first goal. After accomplishing her first goal, Antonia sets a new goal. Antonia's second goal is to improve her speaking and pronunciation. Every day, she imitates AJ and listen to AJ, pause and then imitates his speaking. She copy his pronunciation, she copy his rhythm, she copy his tongue, she copies about everything about his pronunciation. In his pronunciation, it takes her 4 months to improve her speaking and pronunciation. Ray tells everyone, I will be a famous speaker. Ray doesn't have a goal. He just talks, he just says, I have become a famous, I will be a famous speaker. Antonia, her third goal is to overcome her fear of speaking to groups. Ray is also afraid of speaking to groups. They're both afraid of speaking to groups. Antonia sets a goal to overcome her fear of public speaking. Ray doesn't set a goal to overcome his fear. Antonia joins a public speaking course and practice every day. Ray just continues to daydream. It takes Antonia 3 months to achieve her first goal. After 3 months, she overcomes her fear of public speaking. What's the next goals? Antonia's 4 goals is to speak to small groups. She decides she needs to practice and speak to small groups first. So every week she gives a speech to a small group of people. Ray just keeps daydreams. He just keeps on daydream every day. Finally, Antonia sets her final goals the big one, their dream to speak to a huge group of excited people. After 3 more months, she finally speaks to 5,000 people. People interested in and excited in Antonia. Raise gives up, raise quiz, raise says, it's impossible, I never do it. Antonia becomes a famous and successful speaker